कुर्सी और बांग्लादेश दोनों ही छोड़ चुकी हैं। उनके बेटे सजीब वाजेद ने न्यूज 18 इंडिया से एक्सक्लूसिव बातचीत में बताया कि शेख हसीना अपने नेतृत्व के खिलाफ हुए विद्रोह से बहुत निराश है और वो रविवार को ही इस्तीफा देने का मन बना चुकी थी।
First question to you is that what is your first reaction on recent development in Bangladesh? Your mother is in India.
My reaction now is safe, keep my leaders safe. Bangladeshi people, they have chosen this, so then they can get whatever they want. They can have whatever they deserve. It's not my problem anymore.
Did you speak to your mother after
Yes,
she left Bangladesh?
I spoke to her this morning. She is in good spirits, but she is very disappointed and disheartened at the people of Bangladesh, that after all these years of development, of fighting militancy, of developing Bangladesh from a poor country to a middle-income country, that the people of the country betrayed him.
Can you give me any indication where she will be taking political asylum?
No, that decision has not been made. There is no decision on that.
Till the decision is made, she will be in India.
Yes, probably.
Sir, did army put pressure on her to resign?
No, not at all. The army was very supportive. The army wanted to defend her, but she did not want the army to shoot and kill students. So she preferred to resign. She chose to resign.
Sir, what is your expectation from India, from PM Modi? What is your expectation from Indian government? Because during Sheikh Hasina tenure, bilateral relations reached a new height.
Yes, unfortunately now either a weak interim government will come, or the BNP Jamaat, which is the fundamentalist party, will come to power, and now Bangladesh is going to become another Pakistan. So now it is too late. I know Mr. Modi and Prime Minister Modi and his government have been very supportive. We have been good friends, but now it is too late.
It is too late. So do you think any foreign actors did their role in destabilizing your mother government, Sheikh Hasina government? Do you think so?
I mean, I do not have any solid evidence, but I do believe ISI was involved, and perhaps the US government as well.
And one thing more, sir, we have seen the pictures, videos, how Sheikh Mujibur Rahman idol was broken. How do you see this all?
This is the betrayal of the country. After Sheikh Mujibur Rahman gave them independence and Sheikh Hasina gave them development, if this is how the people of the country react, then now they deserve whatever they get. It is not our problem.
In India, sir, we are very concerned about, people of India concerned about Bangladesh people, but they are also concerned about the Hindu community. Do you think Hindu communities are safe there now in new interim government?
No, not at all. No, not at all, because already there are Hindu mandirs and communities being attacked. In fact, the Bangladesh military has set up a hotline for the Hindus to call in, but the Bangladesh military seems powerless to stop anything. So yes, what will happen is now that the militants and Jamaat-e-Islam and BNP Jamaat were the ones that really backed the student movement. Now they have a free hand, and they are attacking the Awami League, and they're also attacking the minorities and the Hindus, because they are mostly our supporters.
Do you think, sir, it was pre-planned, pre-organized, the whole thing, because the quota student protest turned into a big protest across the country? Then Sheikh Hasina had to leave Bangladesh, and then president ordered to release of Khalida Zia, and army also took control of the country now. How do you see this? It was pre-planned. Can you elaborate, sir, something about this?
No, I don't think it was pre-planned, but of course the opposition and Jamaat were involved, and perhaps some foreign actors. They were trying to destabilize Bangladesh. Unfortunately, the army generally, they did not want to shoot at civilian protesters. We did not want them to shoot at protesters, so my mother wanted to resign instead of shooting at protesters. This is why here we are.
What kind of challenges do you see for India now?
Well, now you have another Pakistan on your eastern border again. That is the challenge for India.
And how do you see your mother future now from here?
My mother has retired. This was going to be her last term anyway. She is 77 years old.
यहाँ रुक एक ब्रेक के लिए खबरें जारी हैं।